Today's video is sponsored by Unique. iPhones are beautiful, so many of us want to have the best protection but still wants to retain the look of the iPhone 12. Meet Unique Combat. This case gives you all the protection without taking away the look of the iPhone. For the ultimate protection, the Combat is designed with a 3-tier shock absorbent structure to protect it from anything you put it through. And Unique builds the Combat with an innovative shock absorb technology and an extreme reinforced corner defense to effectively absorb a certified drop of 10 feet. Best part is, it's even compatible with MagSafe. Unique provides a wide variety of quality cases for all your Apple devices, and if you're interested in getting this case, Unique is also giving you a 15% discount code when you check out. And thank you Unique for sponsoring this video. I'm so impressed with a company like Soundpeats. Seeing them grow from humble roots to where they are today really is quite astonishing. Having tested almost every single pair of Soundpeats earbuds, I've already got a standard in my heart as to how well they perform. Today we're going to take a look at one of their latest innovations to see if they are any good. Welcome to a review of the Soundpeats Q. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing. If there's something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Soundpeats Q. The Soundpeats Q is one of Soundpeats' latest earbuds that promises to be very good all-rounder, that produces great sound, great call quality, so let's see if they've done that. So these earbuds was graciously sent to me for review by Soundpeats, and although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. So these earbuds retail for about 130 Malaysia ringgit, and that translates to about US 35. So similar to most Soundpeats earbuds, I think this is fairly standard Soundpeats price point. So if you're looking to buy these earbuds, you can check out some of the links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. And in collaboration with Soundpeats, today we're giving away 3 pairs of Soundpeats Q for all of you viewers down there. So if you want to join the giveaway, definitely check out the details in the description below. So the Soundpeats Q is a very nice, clean design, and it's nice to see them innovate out of their usual black case, and white case really looks very nice. So similar to most Soundpeats earbuds, the Q has a very nice matte white plastic shell, which is very high quality, and it's the type of case that would hold up very well with scratches. So on the lid, you'll see a very nice Soundpeats logo there embossed into the case, making it look really stealthy and really nicely. And in certain angles, it kind of disappears, so that's really nice. And flipping the case to the back, you get a USB Type-C charge port, and since this is their modern earbuds, the case also comes equipped with Qi certified wireless charging, so slap it onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. The lid opens up nice and smoothly and stays in place for you to access your earbuds, and inside you get a modern Soundpeats layout with the earbuds laying flat, showing off the design. In the middle of the case, you get a pairing button and an LED indicator to tell you the amount of battery inside the case. So green means you have 50 to 100% of battery, yellow means 10 to 50%, and red means less than 10%. So the earbuds of the Soundpeats Q is your standard AirPod style earbuds, and the whole earbuds look very high quality and have this very nice silver plate with the Soundpeats branding there. I wish the plate was fully rounded like how the box actually shows it, but the actual buds come with a small indent here at the bottom. So the LED indicator is also very cleverly hidden on the stem of the earbuds and shines through it subtly, so it's not overly distracting. But I kind of miss the light up logo of other Soundpeats earbuds. The entire earbuds is also very nicely built, and the tip of the earbuds is a little bit big, but for me it still sits very nicely inside my ears, and it does hold on pretty nicely when I shake my heads around. The Q is rated to give you about 7 hours of continuous playback time, and the case boosts that to a total of 21 hours of continuous playback time. The case and the earbuds takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. So the Q is unlike the Sonic that we've recently looked at and comes with a more modest Bluetooth 5.0 instead of 5.2 on the Sonic. These earbuds also supports both the AAC and SBC audio codec, so using it for your normal Spotify music definitely works very well. The earbuds, however, is not IP rated, or at least I don't see any documentation on that, so try not to get them wet if you can. And the Q, like almost all Soundpeats earbuds, comes with a super seamless mono and stereo mode, so you can choose either side of the earbuds to use, and you can also put any side back into the case and the other side will not stop playing, so very impressive stuff there. So lastly, these earbuds allow you to connect to multiple devices but not at the same time, so no multi-point connection on these earbuds. So in terms of sound quality, the Q is a very enjoyable earbud, and every single range, whether it's the lows, the mids, the highs, gives you very sufficient presence and doesn't overshadow one another. So based on these earbuds, sounds good, not the deepest or the thumpiest, but sufficient. The mids and highs on these are also good, not the brightest, but sufficiently good. Overall, I think these are your perfect everyday earbuds that you can just use for anything and anywhere, with a very satisfying sound signature that covers most genre of music. They do sound surprisingly open, and you can feel the instruments separated very well. Since these run a 10mm dynamic driver, they do a pretty good job at giving you a slightly airy signature. Overall, like most Soundpeats that we looked at, I think Soundpeats audio quality now is really one of the best for budget earbuds. And in terms of the call quality, the Q is pretty decent and voice does come through very nice and clearly in both noisy and quiet environments, but you can still hear that it doesn't quite cut out most of the background noise, but fortunately sound still comes through nice and clearly. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Soundpeats Q is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency on these are pretty good, and if you use it mainly to watch YouTube or Netflix, these are really nice and enjoyable. Gaming on the other hand is not the lowest latency and you still detect a hint of lag, but for casual gaming, these are definitely pretty good. So anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So similar to all Soundpeats earbuds, I've said it many times and I'll definitely say it again, I think Soundpeats is really the gold standard for all controls for true wireless earbuds, and the Soundpeats Q lets you control all of your media controls as well as volume control. To increase the volume, tap once on the right earbuds and it will slowly increase the volume, and to decrease the volume, you tap once on the left earbuds. So to play or pause media or pick up phone call, tap twice on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. So to skip tracks forward, simply press and hold the right earbuds, and to skip tracks backwards, simply press and hold the left earbuds and it will skip your tracks backwards. And lastly, to call your assistant, triple press any side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant. So very convenient stuff there, and the touch controls on this are so sensitive and very nice to use. So that's basically a very good control scheme by Soundpeats. So overall, another great execution by Soundpeats, and by this point in time, I think getting any Soundpeats earbuds seems like a really good deal, and every earbud seems to just give us everything that we need. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.